guys, this is Brendan Trucker 18, and we're going to do a bike review. Alright, I got Odyssey Brock Rayford grips, 10-inch S&M Perfect bars, volume staple stem, BSD headset, Hoffman forks, framed impact front rim, Odyssey Path Pro tires. We got a Mission Rank sprocket, Salt Plus chain, mystery cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals, shadow seat, homemade for my cousin, and I don't know what the seat post is.
Mystery,
yeah. Alright, we got BSD bottom bracket, United Supreme back rim, Odyssey Path Pro tire,
free coaster, and
Mellow made it right. Nigga, I was damn bad. Now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby. Told my protector chill. Sipping all this codeine, my baddest bitches on X pill. I won a couple million without a record deal. Got 25,000 on me when I been riding in the phantom. Got all designer on me, bitch. I'm so fly, don't matter. I wanted to feel the V12 when I was riding in Atlanta. Busy been cush all day. I'm damn near high as my phantom. I got 3 bitches with me, they want the baguettes on their neck. Bitch, I was made inside the projects, I got crip on my set. Nigga, I was really on the floor, then I woke up in the jet. Ain't never had to dodge no nigga, I just might cop demon. I'm shopping at Neiman's, ballin' every season. Feeling like I'm dreaming, shining every weekend. All they know is that I was broke, then I got a brand new coupe. Louis V's on my shoes, fucking all my bitch by the tubes. First time in V12, she was hanging out the roof. My BB's ice cream, I didn't even have to scoop. Got the whole universe in my ceiling, I'ma set the mood. I seen this main bitch looking at my neck, ooh. Nigga, I was damn bad, now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby, told my protector chill. Sipping all this codeine, my baddest bitches on X pill. I won a couple million without a record deal. Got 25,000 on me when I been riding in the phantom. Got all designer on me, bitch, I'm so fly, don't matter. I wanted to feel the V12 when I was riding in Atlanta. Busy been cush all day, I'm damn near high as my family. She just popped the X pill, wanna see how the